Ruminant. Ya, memamah biak ya Pak ya. Oke, ruminant. Well, number two, living or growing. Pak Sulis ya tadi suaranya ya.
Iya, Bapak.
Okay, good, very good, Pak Sulis. Exactly, right answer. Well, number two, living or growing on the land instead of in water or air. Yeah. So you can find live, yeah, live or grow, yeah, live or grow. So you can find a verb used in the text. Yeah.
In paragraph 1, terrestrial.
Terrestrial.
Well, live or grow, Pak. Live or grow. Ya, verb, Pak. Live or grow. Ya, you can find verb, Pak Sulis. Well, live or grow on the land instead of in water or air.
I'm sorry, sir.
You can find in paragraph 2. You can find in paragraph 2, Pak. Ya. Ada scattered, ada inhabit. Ya, which one, Pak?
So the answer will be inhabit.
Inhabit, oke, exactly, Pak. Lagi ya. Ya, saya Pak Sis. Number 3. What? Oke, exactly. Iya. Oke, Budian, Budeli. Number 4, hunted or killed by another animal for food.
Preyed.
Yeah, exactly. Good, very good. Pak Sulis, tadi suaranya Pak sama siapa?
Iya, Pak. Bu Dewi, Pak.
Bu Dewi, ya, Pak Sulis and Bu Dewi. Okay, good answer. That's right. Number 5, an animal that only eat plants.
Herbivore.
Yeah, herbivore. Okay, Pak Sulis and Bu Dewi lagi ya.
Tadi ada 4 kayaknya Pak. Budian, Bu Ike kayaknya jawab semua.
Ya, Budian, Bu Ike, Pak Sulis. Okay, good, very good. Well, then Bapak Ibu, there is the way to make some definition from report ya. Jadi ini cara membuat definisi dari report Bapak Ibu. So you are using A, not S ya. Biasanya kalau definisi kan S ya Bapak Ibu ya. Untuk report because generic participan, karena partisipannya itu generik, maka di dalam bahasa Inggris ditulis dalam bentuk jamak. Di dalam bahasa Indonesia tidak kelihatan ya. Kucing adalah binatang mamalia, tidak kelihatan apakah kucing itu jamak ataukah kucing itu tunggal. Di dalam bahasa Inggris akan kelihatan, mestinya cats are mammal animal, ya, bukan cat is, ya. Kalau cat is di situ tidak menunjukkan cat-nya sebagai generik partisipan. Nah, generik partisipan itu ciri-cirinya adalah if a thing in area A the same as area B, the same as area C, it's called generic. Jadi secara umum itu kucing katakanlah di Jakarta, di Semarang, di Solo itu sama. Maka secara umum itu dikatakan generik. Maka ditulis dalam bentuk jamak, tidak ditulis dalam bentuk tunggal. Mungkin Bapak Ibu masih menemukan report itu dalam bentuk tunggal. Yang betul adalah plural. Well, so Bapak Ibu, you can find this the way to make definition thing, ya, dalam bentuk jamak. Kemudian verbnya juga jamak, a bukan is. Kemudian didefinisikan di sini. Nah, Bapak Ibu bisa mencari definisi, katakanlah kalau ini herbivores, ini carnivores, ya. Mungkin di sini ada tigers A, kemudian lions A, ya, crocodiles A, ya. Bapak Ibu bisa mendefinisikan. Coba saya ingin Bapak Ibu masing-masing membuat definisi tentang binatang yang ada di kebun binatang. Ya, silakan Bapak Ibu cari di googling, ya, Bapak Ibu googling saja. Misalkan harimau, Bapak Ibu langsung cari tigers A, ya, bukan tigers S tapi tigers A. Kemudian lions A, ya. Snakes A, gitu ya. Coba Bapak Ibu menggunakan Google untuk membuat definisi semacam ini. Ya, definisi semacam ini contoh.
Let me try, sir.
Ya, I'll call you one by one, ya. Satu persatu, ya, biar Bapak Ibu semua berpartisipasi. Ya, tadi sudah sampai Pak Dini. Pak Dini Alan. Pak Dini. Bu Eri Sofiana. Bu Eri Sofiana.
Yes, sir. May I try?
Ya, Bu Eri.
Lions are carnivores.
Ya, lions are carnivores. Oh, oke. Thank you, Bu. Bu Edwin. Coba cari di Google yang contohnya agak panjang, ya. Di situ biasanya ada apa general classification-nya.
May I continue number 2, sir? Carnivores are animal that eat. Oh, harus mencari ya, Pak?
Ya, tidak apa-apa. Menggunakan itu nggak apa-apa. Carnivore.
Okay, carnivores are animals eat meat. Is it correct?
Ya, tadi ada yang putus suaranya terakhir tidak keluar. Bisa diulang?
Oh ya. Carnivores are animals that eat meat.
Okay, good. Very good, Bu. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Nah, Bu Eva Farah. Bu Eva Farah. Pak Fatur Rahman. Pak Fatur, you can find
Carnivores.
like
Yeah. Carnivores animals that eat meat.
okay, good, very good. The same as Bukita Kurnia. Find animal and then give definition using a. Ya, selamat gabung Pak Bella.
Yes, sir. I'm so sorry. I left.
Ya, it's okay Pak Bella. Well, Bu Vita Kurnia, Bu Fitriana. Bu Fitriana. Bu Fitriana. Just find the name of animal, then the name of animal. Silakan Bapak Ibu cari. Silakan Bapak Ibu cari nama binatang, kemudian di googling menggunakan A. Contohnya lion A, tigers A, ya. Nanti akan temu itu.
Okay, sir.
Ya, Yume Pak Ahmad Nur.
Okay. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammal and are part of the family of toothed whales.
Okay, great, very good. Very good. Itu clarification. Bu Widya
Wah,
mati. Ya, ada suara dari Bu Nadian, dimatikan dulu. Pak Hari, silakan. Pak Hari Widianto.
Can I try, sir? Elephant are the largest exciting land animal.
Just find the name of animal. Then give definition.
Elephant are the largest
Ya,
exciting.
contohnya tadi dari Pak Nur tadi cukup bagus. Di situ ada general classification-nya. Pak Hari.
Cek. Tes. Halo.
Ya, Pak Hari. Bu Ida Sofida. Bu Ida Sofida. Bu Ida Jubaida.
Cek.
Tiger are a whale.
Can I try, sir?
Ya, Yume Pak Hari. Ini Bu Jubaida kehilangan sinyal.
Ya.
Ya.
Okay,
Ya, Pak Hari,
I
silakan.
will try. Elephant are the largest exciting land animal.
Oke, great. Good example, Pak Hari. Bu Jubaida, silakan bisa diulang.
Tiger are a whale.
Will animal.
Tiger are a whale. Tiger.
Ya, tigers are wild animal ya mungkin ya. Ya, oke, Bu Ida Jubaida. Bu Ika. Ika Widyarini. Bu Ika Marisa.
Yes, sir.
Well, you can find.
Elephants are mammals that eat plants.
Okay, good, very good, good. Yeah, very good. Two eager. Pak Isdat. Pak Isdat. Bu Mami. Bu Mami. Pak Muhammad Arif. Pak Muhammad Arif. Pak Muhammad Muslih. Nadia Nulfa. Bapak Ibu bisa mendengar suara saya?
Bisa, Pak.
Bisa, Pak.
Bisa, Pak.
Bisa, Pak.
Bu Nadian Ulfa?
Yes, sir.
Ya,
Maaf, putus-putus di sini.
Oke, ya. Bu Nisa Fitriati? Bu Nisa Fitriati? Pak Nur, Pak Nur Hidayat tadi kelihatan sudah ya? Bu Nurul Puspita. Bu Rini Pujiastuti.
Yes, sir.
Well, you may try to. Yeah, you. Bu Rini, ya Bu Rini.
Okay. Whales are the largest mammal in the world.
Oke, ya. Ya. Ya, ini dari Bu Riri juga ada sinyal yang kurang bagus, tapi sudah jelas tadi. Well, Bu Siti Walia.
Yes, sir.
Bu Siti Walia.
Rolling grassland with trees and shrubs. Savannas are rolling grassland.
Okay, great,
with
very
trees
good
and shrubs.
example. Bu Subiha.
Crocodiles are animals that only eat meat.
That's good example, Bu. Ya, ada klasifikasi, ada general klasifikasinya di situ. Pak Sulis. Pak Sulis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just find animal and give definition, Pak Sulis.
Okay.
Which are?
Lions are the only cats live in group.
Okay, good, very good example, Pak Sulis. Yeah. Ada general classification-nya. Well, Pak Safi'i. Pak Safi'i. Pak Taufik. Pak Taufik. Ya, kelihatannya Pak Taufik bersuara tapi tidak keluar.
Sekelas apa orang gue di Curta?
Pak Tri Mulyo. Pak Tri Mulyo.
Yes.
Well,
The lion are an animal that eat meat and preys on other animals.
The lions are
Yes.
The lions
are an animal that eats meat and preys on other animals.
Ya, oke, Pak Dion. Ya, mungkin that-nya bisa dihilangkan. Gimana, Pak Dion?
The lion
Lions are
an animal eats meat and
that
preys
meat.
on other animal.
Okay, the lions are animals, yeah, are animals that eat meat, yeah, eat meat and prey other animals. Okay, good, Pak Dion. Bu Tuti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This animal that eat fruit and nut.
Okay. Once more, Bu. Monkeys are
Animal that eat fruit and nut.
okay. Good, very good. Good. Yeah, good example. Well, then go ahead next question. Well, Bapak Ibu sudah mencoba untuk membuat kalimat dengan formula things, ya ini jamak, kemudian nya juga jamak a, ya, kemudian diikuti dengan definisi. Ya, ini biasanya digunakan di kalimat report, ya, Bapak Ibu temukan di kalimat report. Kalau di kalimat description biasanya menggunakan is, ya, is. Tapi ini menggunakan a. Well, go ahead. Models must, will, can, may, yeah, can also mean probability or ability. Yeah. In the above sentence mean ability. Ini maknanya adalah ability. But others can also mean probability. Tetapi ini contohnya will, ya. Contohnya will in the above sentence. Well, go ahead. Use may or will. Yeah. Yeah. Write a sentence with model which mean probability or ability. Bapak itu mungkin bisa gunakan may. Di sini example-nya may, will. Bapak itu gunakan may atau will untuk membuat kalimat. Bapak Ibu hanya sulit membuat itu nanti kalimat will from the, ya kan? Cukup menggunakan may dan will saja. Ya, number 2. Bu Rini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you make sentence. You may make sentence, Bu Rini.
Yes, I will try. To build such big house may need a lot of money.
To build a big house may need a lot of money. Okay, good, very good. Then,
excuse me, sir.
Others? Yeah, you may do.
To buy such cars may need lots of money also.
Yeah, okay. Ya, Bu Dewi. Okay. Ya, Bu Rini. Bu Dewi. You may try, Bu Dewi.
Thank you. Jellyfish may glow to scare away the predators. Jellyfish
Okay, Bu.
may glow to scare away the predators.
Okay, Bu Dewi, good example.
Thank you.
Pak Bella ya, Pak Bella ini belum muncul, Pak Bella.
Yes, sir. I try.
Ya, gimana ya Pak Bella?
Trimulyo may be at home or perhaps at school. Maybe.
Okay, ya. Probability ya. It's okay, Pak Bella.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Good example from Pak Bella. Then Bu Subiha. Ya, Bu Subiha.
Yes, sir. Thanks. Most Indonesian people may have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Okay, that's right, Bu. Yeah, most Indonesian people it's lunch at 12 o'clock. Ya, karena memang beda-beda ya makan jam makannya. Kalau di Indonesia mungkin makan jam 12 kebanyakan. Kalau di Eropa itu dinner itu bisa di jam 5 ya, di jam 5, jam 6 gitu ya. Tapi masih siang keadaannya, jadi tidak suasananya tidak malam, tapi suasananya sore ya, karena malamnya sekitar jam 9 atau jam 10 ya. Sehingga di sana mengapa bahasa Inggris itu Bapak Ibu good night ya, kenapa di situ good night itu tidak diterjemahkan selamat malam ya, mungkin itu sebagai alasan Bapak Ibu. Kira-kira apa alasannya, kenapa kok good night itu tidak selamat malam, selamat tidur, selamat berpisah ya. Kalau di kita malam itu ya selamat malam itu ya mestinya good night ya. Tapi secara kultural good night itu diterjemahkan selamat berpisah atau selamat tidur, karena malam di barat itu kalau kita tidur itu masih siang, suasana siang, matahari masih kelihatan. Jadi jam 8, jam 9 itu matahari masih kelihatan. Kita sholat isya itu biasanya ya sekitar jam 10, jadi bisa sholat isya. Jam 9 itu masih maghrib. Ya. Nah makanya jam 9 itu tidak bisa dikatakan selamat malam, karena memang di sana masih siang. Itu budaya. Makan malamnya juga masih matahari masih kelihatan ya. Bapak Ibu, go ahead ya, kita lanjutkan. Full ya, di sini juga mestinya ada S-nya ya, karena ini report ya. Report itu bicarakan selalu well activity, answer the question yeah. Before reading the activity, one place in which people could learn about topic as okay, good, very good.
Cool.
Well, number 2, Do you go to school every day? Yeah?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do or no, I do?
Yes, I do.
Yes,
Except
I do.
Sunday.
Yes,
Except Sunday and
yes, I
holidays.
do. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Tidak WFH ini, Bapak Ibu. Tetap ke sekolah ya. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I do. Number 3, what do you know about people who involve to hold education system and process? What do you know about people who involve to hold the education system and process?
Teacher.
Teachers.
Teacher,
Headmaster,
headmaster,
administration staff,
Librarian.
okay, yeah, administration staff, librarians. Okay. Well, then, reading activity. While reading the passage, answer the questions below. Number 1, what does the first paragraph talk about? First paragraph.
About school institution.
Institution. Well,
About
okay,
formal
good.
institution.
About
School as formal institution.
okay, great. Good. Very good example. I mean, more complete. Yeah. About school as a formal institution. Okay. Well, number 2, in which paragraph can you find teacher's responsibility?
Paragraph 2.
Second paragraph.
Paragraph 2.
Paragraph 2.
Okay, exactly. Teachers have responsibility. Paragraph 2. Exactly. Good, very good. Number 3, which paragraph contains the discussion about curriculum?
Paragraph
Paragraph
3.
3.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3.
Paragraph 3.
Yes.
Okay, good, very good. Yeah. Okay. Number 4, what is the writer's purpose of writing a text? What is the writer's purpose of writing a text?
To describe
describe
schools
school.
in general.
To describe or to make report?
To report.
To make
To
report.
report. To make report.
To make report about school.
Well, report about school. Yeah. Pak Sulis. Okay, good. Very good. Then, before reading a text, before answer some question, you have to read text first, carefully. I invite you to read the text. Okay. Saya coba undang Bapak Ibu salah satu untuk membaca teks. Well, you are going to read text. Silakan, Bapak Ibu. Tadi sudah satu. Ya,
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Schools. Schools are formal institutions where education's process is held for children. In modern era, schools become important for parents who concerned about their children's development. Schools are expected to give enlightenment and create better generation. Education at school is believed to change people's future. It becomes priority for some people to reach their dreams. In the schools, there are many people who involved to hold the education system and process, such as teachers, headmasters, administration staff, and the other roles that likely exist. It can be varied due to schools' need to preference. The teachers have responsibility to teach the students. They are in charge to deliver the materials, shapes of, shape the students' behavior and so on. They have many interactions with the students. Meanwhile, the headmaster is the leader of the school. Headmaster is the person who is responsibility to make and take decision for the school. In addition, the administration staffs help the teacher and headmaster to deal with documentation or operational things. Materials which are delivered are based on curriculum. Curriculum is a set of program and plan to run the education process. It also contains the goals of the education process. The curriculum can be from the government or it is set by the school itself. Mostly in many countries in the world, the schools use curriculum from the government. Usually, the curriculum is the response toward the current condition or problem faced by the country. Meanwhile, the schools which make their own curriculum believe on certain philosophy or idealism of what education should be like, and the schools want to give education which is in line with students' need. Thank you.
Well, okay, good editing from Derry. Yeah, thank you, Derry. Then maybe once more. I'll invite once more to read the text.
I try.
Sure. Well, you may, Pak.
Yeah.
You may, Pak.
Ahmad.
Pak Ahmad. Yes, you may, Pak Ahmad.
School are formal institutions where education process is held for children. In modern era, school become important for parents who concerned about their children's development. Schools are accepted to give enlightenment and create better generation. Education at school is believed to change people's future. It became priority for some people to reach their dream. In the school, there are many people who influence to hold the education system and process, such as teacher, headmaster, administration staff, and the other role that likely exist. It can be fair. Teachers have responsibility to teach the student. They are in charge to deliver the material, shape the student behavior, and so on. They have many interactions with the student. Meanwhile, the headmaster is the leader of the school. Headmaster is the person who is responsible to make and take decision for the school. In addition, the administration staff help the teacher and headmaster to deal with documentation or operational things. Material which are delivered are based on the curriculum. Curriculum is a set education process. It also contains the goal of the education process. The curriculum can be from the government or it is set by the school itself. Mostly, in many countries in the world, the school use curriculum for the government. Usually, the curriculum is the response toward the current condition or problem faced by the country. Meanwhile, the school which make their own curriculum believe on certain philosophy or idealism of what education should be like. And the school want to give education which is in line with the student need. Thank you.
Okay, good. Pak Nur. Yeah, thank you, Pak Nur. Well, activity 3. Activity 3. First reading activity. Number 1. What do people believe about educating children at school? Number 1.
To change people future.
People. Yeah. You may, okay. Very good. So people. Number 2. What is involved in education process? Students
And the other,
the teachers, headmaster, administration staff, and the other.
Okay, you may mention Kulsubiha once more.
They are teachers,
Teachers, headmaster,
administration staff,
and
the other roles that likely exist.
Ya, student ada nggak di situ?
No.
But must be.
Yeah, who are involved.
There must be a student.
Ada murid tidak di situ?
In the text, no, there is not.
Oh, in the text. Okay, good. Very good answer, Bu. Yeah, based on the text. Yeah, based on the text. Well, Bu Rini, you are going to answer the question?
Who involved in the process of the education? Administration staff, and the other roles that likely exist.
Oke, ya. Ditambahkan student ya di situ ya. Ya, student memang tidak disebutkan di teks, tetapi mestinya itu involved di situ.
Yes, without student there is no process.
Ya, there is not school ya, bukan sekolah namanya ya. Oke. Well, then go ahead. Number 3. Multiple or single task at school. You may answer. You may choose multiple or single task at school.
The
Multiple
teacher
tasks.
has multiple tasks.
Multiple tasks, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good.
The teacher have multiple tasks.
Well, can you mention the task, Pak Hari?
Teaching.
Then,
administration.
Yeah. Then
I think to education the student. Solve the problem of the student.
Solve student's problem, yeah. So, can you mention based on the text, Pak Hari, yang berdasarkan teks di sini?
The teacher have responsibility to teach the student. They are charged to deliver the material, shape the student behavior, and so on.
Okay, good, very good, Pak Hari. Yeah. Not only teaching, yeah, but also shape students' attitude. Well, go ahead. Number 4. What are their tasks? Ya, tadi sudah disebutkan Pak Hari. Ya, what are their tasks? Well, number 5. What does the word they in part 2 line 4? Part 2 line 4.
They refers to teacher.
Teachers.
Refers to teachers. Okay, good. They refers to teachers. They refers to teachers. Okay, good, very good. be set by the school? Yeah, number 6.
Yes, it can.
Yes, they
Yes,
can.
it can.
Yes,
Yes,
it can.
it can.
Yes, it
Ya,
can.
ya, karena kurikulum di sini singular, maka kata gantinya adalah it.
It
Yes,
they.
it can. Ya, yes, it can. Ya, sebetulnya di tempat kita itu sebetulnya kan sudah kurikulum berbasis ini sekolah ya, school based curriculum ya. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya KPSP itu ya, KPSP ya, kurikulum tingkat satuan pendidikan ya, KPSP itu sebetulnya sudah berbasis sekolah ya, sehingga kurikulumnya dalam bahasa Inggris KPSP itu disebut dengan school based curriculum, kurikulum yang berbasis sekolah. Ya, di tempat kita namanya KPSP, tetapi kelihatannya realita tidak berdasarkan kurikulum sekolah ya Pak ya, kurikulumnya masih bareng-bareng ya,
Ikut pemerintah.
Ya,
Dalam pemerintah.
ya KPSP tetapi masih ikut pusat. Well, number 7, what kinds of curriculum does the school make? The school make. You can find the answer in paragraph 3.
Philosophy or idealism?
Based on philosophical idealism. Okay, good, very good, Pak. Yeah. Based on philosophical idealism. Well, tadi Pak Lis apa Pak? Yang Pak Ari ya. Oke. Number is it is a patient.
Yes.
Yes.
I think yes.
Okay. Well, the following diagram, school curriculum, then here maybe the person involved, ya, orang-orang yang terlibat di sini ya. Silakan Bapak Ibu, kurikulum ini disebutkan pada paragraf mana, kalimat mana Bapak Ibu, atau disebutkan kalimatnya aja. Kurikulum. Bapak Ibu silakan dilengkapi.
Curriculum is a set of program and plan to run the education process.
Okay, good, very good. Well, then here Bapak Ibu, the person involved yang terlibat di sekolah siapa saja tadi? Student, ya. Students are headmasters, teachers, ya.
And administration staff.
Ya. Well, karena di tag yang di sana adanya, ada nggak di sini administration staff?
Yes, there are.
Yeah. Well, so can you give some description for teachers? Teachers are, kira-kira apa? Teachers are
persons who involved on the studying process.
Ya, teachers are person. Ya, mungkin those who, ya, Bapak Ibu bisa menggunakan itu. Those who are responsible, involved, it's okay.
In education process.
Okay, good, very good. Then headmaster. Headmasters are
Headmaster.
The leader of the school.
Yeah, headmasters are headmasters are leaders of the school. Then, yeah,
Administration staff are people who help and headmaster to deal with the document or operational things.
Okay, good, very good. Very good answer, Bu. Bu siapa tadi?
Gurini.
Gurini. Okay, good. Good answer, Gurini. Well, Bapak Ibu, you know, conjunctions, adjective sentences may be combined logically through conjunctions to make addition, contrast, sequence, cause, effect, alternative, or concession. In fact, there are two types conjunction. Ada dua tipe conjunction, Bapak Ibu, internal and external. Internal conjunction, ya, underline and put, ya, connect ideas into different sentences. Jadi untuk internal conjunction itu menghubungkan ide di dalam dua kalimat yang berbeda, beda kalimat, ya Bapak Ibu. Whereas external conjunction connect ideas within a sentence. Tetapi kalau external conjunction yaitu untuk menghubungkan ide dalam satu kalimat between main clause and sub clause, di antara clause utama dan clause sub clause, ya, or between parenthetic clause, atau di antara dua kalimat, dua clause yang setara. Ya, kalau ini kalau di dalam bahasa Indonesia itu ada kalimat majmuk, ya, ini kalimat majmuk singkat. Kalau ini yang setara, ya, klausa yang setara, kalimat majmuk setara. Well, contrast, ya, Bapak Ibu, di sini ada biasanya ada di depan kalimat, ya, biasanya ada di depan kalimat. Namun Bapak Ibu juga melihat however itu ada juga yang di tengah, ya. Kalau but ini di antara dua clause, di antara dua clause. Jarang but itu ada di depan kalimat, ya, walaupun di sini ada yang di depan kalimat tapi jarang. Begitu pula dengan dalam bahasa Indonesia, tetapi itu ada di tengah kalimat biasanya. Jarang ada di depan. Kalau depan biasanya akan tetapi, dalam bahasa Inggris itu however, ya. On the other hand, meanwhile, otherwise, ya, maknanya adalah kontra. Ketika makna kontras, Bapak Ibu bisa milih mana yang tepat untuk yang ini. Ya, kalau ini biasanya ada di tengah-tengah kalimat, atau mungkin di depan tapi ada main clause, ada sub clause-nya. Well, addition, penambahan, ini ada in addition, ada moreover, ada furthermore. Ya, kalau di tengah itu biasanya menggunakan and. di depan kalimat, ya kalimat yang terpisah itu biasanya menggunakan intelligent, moreover, sebenarnya cause and effect. Ada juga yang mengandung makna cause and effect, ya, seperti therefore, result, accordingly, consequently, consequences, itu cause and effect. Biasanya kalau di tengah itu bisa menjadi so atau so that, and therefore. Untuk concession itu ada although, ya, although. Well, Bapak Ibu, combine two sentence in X number using both type of conjunction. Ya, silakan Bapak Ibu dibaca kemudian dikombinasikan, bisa dipindah menggunakan internal atau external conjunction. Ya, ini ada but, ya, karena but biasanya digunakan di tengah kalimat, ya, biasanya digunakan di tengah kalimat. Begitu pula and. Well, number one, you are going to try.
Let me try, sir.
Yeah, Bu. Yeah, you may Bu.
Relaxation can be difficult to learn, so some people do seek help.
Yeah, using conjunction what, Bu? Bisa menggunakan konjungsi apa?
So.
Mana? So, ya, so. Ya, so atau so that. Relaxation can be difficult to learn, so that some people do seek help. Ya, so, ya, so atau mungkin Bapak itu bisa tambah dengan that, ya, so that some people do seek help. Well, good answer, Bu. Number two.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, you may do.
Okay. Regular exercises will make people healthy, so that many people like to do it.
Yeah, regular exercises will make people healthy. So, many people like to do it. So many people like to do it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Number three.
Let me try, sir. Don't like when you write over. Actually, don't like it when you talk while they are teaching.
Okay. Please, using moreover. Okay, good. Very good. Kalau moreover berarti posisinya ditambahkan, ya, jadi tidak digabung, posisinya di depan teachers yang kedua. Moreover, ya, koma, teachers especially well. Di situ baru moreover. Very good, Pak Sulis. Number four. Number four.
Jerman ramai ngebungi. Inggris. Kalau Jerman Inggris ramai ngebungi. Gak bisa guys. bisa menang gue yo akeh harapan.
Well, number 4, Hunter like heavy metal music. Hunter enjoys hip hop tunes also. Well, it's additional ya. Ini additional ya. Additional. Kalau tadi ya, tadi juga additional, tetapi yang internal ya. Oke.
Ini becok gelem final cok koyo final ini.
Ya, ini bisa digabung menjadi satu.
Kita gelem iki ke finale. Sak ngerti nek podcast ini lolos malah Denmark. Cintaan final Denmark. Denmark jelas koyo Denmark atau Ceko ya koyo menang Denmark.
Hunter likes heavy metal music. However, Hunter enjoys hip hop tunes also.
Ya. However, ini berarti pisah ya Bu ya, menggunakan however ya. Ya, menggunakan however. Ya, Bapak Ibu, what does the meaning additional or contrast? Maknanya kontras atau additional?
Additional, sir.
Additional, ya,
Yes.
additional. Kalau additional menggunakan however?
No.
Additional?
And
Using
using
And
Ya, using kalau additional mestinya tidak menggunakan however. However itu maknanya kontras, namun.
menggunakan
Ya,
And
ya, ya Pak. Tadi Pak siapa menggunakan N tadi?
and Pak Fatur.
Ya, Pak Fatur. Just read it, Pak Fatur. Bisa dibaca, Pak Fatur.
Hunter likes heavy metal music and enjoys hip hop tunes also.
Oke, ya, additional ya, additional. Mestinya di situ Bapak Ibu bisa menggabungkan menjadi satu, yaitu dengan menggunakan N. Oke, good, very good, Pak Fatur. Well, then go ahead. Number 5. Yeah, number 5. What do you think of the two sentences? Contrast or additional? Yeah, additional. Government memutuskan untuk mengampuni yang satu, walaupun belum terbukti bersalah ya. Atau mungkin konsesi. Although. Kontras bukan maknanya. Bukan ya. Additional?
Ya, additional, sir.
Additional, betul. A governor decided to pardon a criminal. Diputuskan mengampuni kriminal.
sebab akibat
Kriminal tersebut, ya, kriminal tersebut belum terbukti bersalah. Ya, konsesi, cause and effect, addition, or contrast.
Concession.
Concession, yes. So
the government decided to pardon the criminal, although it had not been proven guilty.
Okay, good, very good. Ya, confession. Although, ya, although, walaupun belum terbukti bersalah, ya. Well, passive voice. Passive voice. Passive voice formula. The formula of passive voice be, ya, be itu bisa is, bisa was, bisa juga masih tetap be plus participle, ya. Past participle itu biasanya adalah verb 3, ya, verb 3. Bapak itu bisa menggunakan id, ya, id atau irregular, ya, irregular. Nah, di sini Bapak Ibu melihat education people future. Dibalik, ya, menjadi pasif, pendidikan akan mengubah masa depan orang. Masa depan orang akan diubah oleh pendidikan. People future will be changed, ya. Di sini ada will tetap, kemudian ditambah be, ya, ditambah be, ya, karena will tidak bisa is, tidak bisa a, tidak bisa am, ya, will be, be-nya tetap be. Kemudian change, ya, change-nya ed, verb 3, will be changed by education. Jadi dibalik Bapak Ibu, subjeknya yang tadinya di depan menjadi di belakang. Objeknya yang tadinya di belakang menjadi di depan. Kemudian shall change berubah menjadi will be change, ditambah by, ya, tambah. Well, material which are delivered are based on ini mestinya yang pasif ini, ya, based on. Well, this one we just change verb 1 into verb 3 and put before verb, yeah. It can be can be is, can be are, yeah. It can be an, bisa juga. Well, our teacher is organizing a contest. Silakan Bapak Ibu, di sini dibuat kalimat pasif, ya. Kalimat pasif Bapak Ibu. Sul, ini subjek berubah paling belakang. Kemudian contest, ini objek diubah di depan.
Let me try, sir.
Yeah, Bu. You may, Bu.
The class project about the environment will be chosen by the teachers.
Yeah, this one, Bu. First sentence dulu. First sentence.
It has already done, sir.
Ya.
Coba.
Oh, sudah, ya. A contest is being organized by our school, ya. Di sini tensesnya apa, Bu? Tensesnya? Tensesnya apa ini, Bu?
Present continuous.
Present continuous, ya. Ya, is organizing. Is itu present, organizing continuous. Jadi present continuous, ya. Kemudian di dalam pasif itu juga dibuat present continuous. Jadi ing-nya itu menjadi being, ya, is being, ya. Organize berubah menjadi verb id, verb 3 yang diingkan yaitu being-nya. Ini tadi apa?
The best project about the environment is by teachers.
the best project will be chosen by the teacher. Will be, kemudian choose-nya berubah menjadi chosen. 3 ya. Oke. Oke, good. Ya, right. Ya, sudah tepat. Jadi, what the 10 use, Bu? What the 10 use, Bu?
Passive voice.
The tense. The 10 use. The 10 use. Tense yang digunakan nih, Bu.
Future
Ya,
tense.
apa, Bu? Future tense, ya. Future. Ditandai dengan will, ya. Will in future, ya. Future tense, ya. Dengan will plus verb 1. Ya, ini future tense. Kemudian diubah menjadi will be chosen, ya. Verb 3. Ya. Okay, good. Very good, good. Then, the next sentence, kalimat berikutnya.
I try to answer number 2.
Yeah, you may do.
Pictures and drawing in their project must be included by the students.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Pictures and drawing
in their project must be included.
Include atau included?
Included
by the students.
By the student. Yeah. Pictures and drawing in the projectnya di belakang atau di depan, Bu? In project itu lebih tepat di belakang atau di belakang. Ya. Coba bisa diubah, Bu, menjadi bagaimana?
Student
pictures and drawings.
Pictures and drawing must be included by the students in their project.
Okay, good. Ya. Lebih tepat mana, Bapak, in the project? Di belakang atau setelah drawing?
Di belakang, karena menerangkan.
Di belakang, ya, karena di situ menerangkan student, ya, menerangkan student. Jadi pictures and drawing must be included by the student in the project. In the projectnya di belakang student. Well, good, very good. Well, Bu siapa tadi? Mohon maaf.
Subiha.
Bu Subiha, ya, Bu Subiha. Okay, very good. Well, then go ahead, next sentence. Sorry, Bu Subiha. What the tense use, Bu Subiha? Must include. Must include itu what the tense use. Tense-nya apa, Bu Subiha?
Simple present kali ya?
Simple present, exactly. That's right. Simple present, tetapi menggunakan model must, ya, Bu, ya. Menggunakan model must. Okay, yes. Very good. Then the next sentence, the student will also have to do all the writing themselves.
May I try, sir?
Yeah, you may do.
All the writing will also have to be done by the student themselves.
Ya, once more, Bu.
All the writing will also have to be done by the student themselves.
Okay, ya. What the tense Bu? Tense-nya apa ini Bu?
Future.
Future, ya, future. Present future, ya Bu, ya, present future. All the writing, all the writing di depan, all the writing will also be done, will also have to be done, ya Bu ya, to be done, ya. By ya, all the writing will also have to be done, Jadi yang dipertigakan adalah do student themselves. Okay, good, very good. Well, number next, then lagi Pak.
Set of encyclopedias will be given by school.
Ya, the winner atau set of encyclopedias yang di depan mana Pak? The winner-nya atau set of encyclopedias?
Let me give another answer, sir.
Okay, give me Pak Sulis.
Okay. The winner will be given a set of encyclopedias by the school.
Yeah, the winner is given a set of encyclopedias by the school. Okay, okay, good. It could be Pak. Yeah. Mungkin Bapak juga bisa to the winner. Ya. Ya, silakan.
My answer is SMS with Pak Sulis.
The same as Pak Sulis. Okay, good.
The winner will be given a set of encyclopedias by the school.
Okay, good. If I change, jika saya ubah Pak, the school will give a set of encyclopedias to the winner, berubah menjadi bagaimana? Ya, ini sudah tepat. Sudah tepat tadi. Tadi sudah tepat untuk Pak Sulis ya. Tetapi ada dua versi. The school will give a set of encyclopedias to the winner. Ya, to the winner. Winnernya di belakang sekarang. Menjadi bagaimana?
Set of encyclopedia will be given to the winner in the school.
To the winner-nya belakang atau depan?
Kalau yang seperti Pak Arso barusan masih tetap aktif Pak, tidak pasif Pak. Cuman objeknya saja yang berubah, karena di situ ada dua objek, objek langsung dan tidak langsung, direct object dan indirect object.
Ya, baik. Direct object dan indirect object. Kalau tadi yang direct object sudah tepat dijawab oleh Pak Sulis. Nah, sekarang yang indirect, ya, to the winner-nya ada di belakang. Menjadi bagaimana kalau di pasifkan?
I try to answer, sir.
Yeah, you may put.
A set of encyclopedias will be given by school to the winner.
Okay, yeah. A set of encyclopedias will be given by school to the winner. Okay, good. Yeah, right. Yeah, good answer. Yeah. Tadi Pak Sulis ada direct object, indirect object. Ya. Kebetulan yang ini direct ya, yang ini direct object, sehingga sesuai dengan yang Pak Sulis tadi. Kemudian yang indirect object sesuai yang siapa yang terakhir?
Bu Subihah.
Bu Subihah, ya, Bu Subihah. Ya, sudah sangat bagus pemahamannya terhadap grammar. Ya. Well, then number two, Bapak Ibu juga diminta untuk membuat bentuk pasifnya. Ya, number two.
Okay, let me try.
Ya.
My uncle painted this picture. This picture was painted by my uncle.
Ya, Bu ada tense use, Bu.
Past tense, simple past tense.
Simple past tense ya. Tadi menjadi this picture was painted ya. Kenapa was ya? Kenapa was? Karena past ya, simple past berarti tidak is painted tetapi menjadi was painted. Oke, Bu, very good. This picture was painted by my uncle, bukan is ya, was. Oke, correct answer from Turini. Well, go ahead.
May I, sir?
You may, Pak.
Someone has offered him a lot of money for it. A lot of money has been offered by someone for it.
Tadi Pak ini Alan ya.
Yes, sir.
A lot of money
has been offered by someone for it.
Has been offered. What the time use? Answernya apa, Pak?
Present perfect, sir.
Okay, good. Very good.
Yes, thank you.
Ya, present. Ya, present. Yes. Di sini present. Kemudian ditambah in ya. Karena di perfect itu been bentuk tungganya. Has been offered. A lot of money has been offered by someone to him. Lot of money, yeah, lot of money has been offered by someone to him for it. Okay. Then next sentence.
Let me give another answer for this.
You may, Pak. You may, Pak.
Iya. Karena
ada yang masuk.
Baru saja itu juga ada dua objek, langsung dan tidak langsung.
Ya, Pak Sulis. Ya, you may.
He has been offered a lot of money for it by someone.
Ya. Di akhirnya berubah menjadi he has been ya. He has been a lot of money. He has been offered a lot of money. Ya, Pak Sulis.
Ya, he has been offered a lot of money for it by someone. Dia telah ditawari banyak uang.
Ya, him-nya berubah menjadi he, ya, him-nya berubah menjadi he sebagai subjek, kemudian someone-nya ada di belakang, ya, menjadi he has been offered a lot of money
for it
by someone, ya. By someone. Someone-nya paling belakang ya Pak ya.
Iya Pak.
Oke, ya. Ada dua objek ya, ada dua objek. Ini kalau yang direct object seperti Pak Slamet tadi, him-nya berubah menjadi he. Ya. Tetapi kalau for it-nya lot of money, ya, a lot of money itu berarti di sini indirect object ya, ya, indirect object, maka lot of money, ya, is a lot of money has been offered by someone. Jadi karena di sini Pak Slamet
Sulis Pak, bukan.
Sorry, Pak Sulis ya, Pak Sulis ya. Ya, karena Pak Sulis ini masuk pada direct object. Kalau lot of money-nya strukturnya seperti ini, someone has offered a lot of money for it to him, ya, itu berarti tidak ya. Good alternatif Pak Slamet kita exemplu berangsa sing direct object. Well, then next, yeah.
Tomorrow, the painting will be delivered by him.
Yeah, tomorrow
the painting will be delivered by him.
Okay, so about 10 years, Bu.
Kalau dibalik, tomorrow-nya di belakang bisa kan?
Ya, tomorrow bisa di depan, bisa di belakang.
Ya, tomorrow-nya bisa di depan, bisa di belakang. Ya. Tetapi Bapak Ibu, ketika tomorrow itu digunakan di tag ya, di tag itu maknanya beda nanti di belakang atau di depan. Ya, sebaiknya tetap di belakang ya Bu ya.
Oke, thank you sir.
Ya, karena ketika diterapkan di tag nanti adverb of time itu memiliki makna yang beda. Seperti once upon a time itu selalu ada di depan ketika Bapak Ibu menceritakan ya misalkan cocktail gitu ya. Jadi tidak bisa once upon a time itu ada di belakang. Ya secara struktural betul. Secara struktural betul, tomorrow bisa di depan, bisa di belakang. Tetapi ketika nanti diterapkan di tag, itu nanti maknanya beda. Seperti on Tuesday to the happy. On Tuesday itu menjadi topik dari semua kalimat yang ada di tag. Tidak bisa diubah menjadi we went to the harbor on Tuesday. Nah, dengan demikian kalau diubah menjadi di belakang, maka on Tuesday itu hanya menerangkan kalimat yang ada di depan saja, tidak menerangkan semua teks, ya, semua kalimat dalam teks. Ya, oke. Baik, Bapak Ibu, secara struktural tadi betul menjadi tensesnya apa Bu? Tadi?
Future tense.
Future tense, ya future tense. Sehingga menjadi the painting will be
delivered by him tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oke, tomorrow-nya betul. Well, next sentence. Kalimat yang berikutnya. Ini juga mengandung direct object and indirect object. Ya. Ya, silakan.
I try to answer this. When he is given the money by them, he will tell them the truth. When he is given the money by them, he will tell them the truth.
He will tell them the truth. Ya, ya ini bisa nggak ini dipasifkan? Yang ini when?
Yang depan dipasifkan. When he is given the money by them.
When he is given
money by them.
The money by them.
He will tell them.
He will tell them the truth. Ya. Ya, ini bisa nggak dipasifkan?
Bisa.
Bisa. Menjadi bagaimana?
Let me try.
Ya.
When the money is given to them, the truth will be told.
The truth will be
Told.
told. Ya. The truth will be told. Ya, D-nya di sini hilang, Bu.
By him.
Him-nya hilang itu.
By him. Ya. Jadi diperjelas lagi, silakan. Ya, silakan. Tadi Pak
Sulis, Pak.
Pak Sulis, ya Pak Sulis. Ya, silakan Pak Sulis.
They will be told the truth by him when he is given them his money. Mereka akan mengatakan kebenaran itu atau bukti-bukti itu pada dia saat dia itu mau ngasih uang pada mereka.
Ya, dibalik ya Pak Slamet ya. Pak Sulis.
Saya dibalik Pak, karena keterangan waktunya karena sudah bergabung akhirnya letakkan di belakang.
Oke.
Karena titik fokusnya itu ada yang di kalimat yang belakang pada aslinya.
Ya, baik. Good reason, Pak Sulis. So this main ya, ini adalah main clause-nya. Ini
main
adalah
clause.
main clause-nya. Main clause-nya adalah ini. Ini adalah sub clause-nya. Sehingga main clause-nya dibuat
ditaruh di depan.
Dibalik ya, ditaruh di depan menjadi bagaimana Pak ulangi?
They will be told the truth by him.
Ya, they ya. Ini ya. Termnya berubah menjadi they ya. They will be taught by him ya. They will be taught the truth by him when ya, diulangi Pak Slamet, when
he is given them the money.
Ya. Jadi menjadi they ya, termnya berubah menjadi they will be taught the truth by him when he is given the money ya. Jadi diubah Bapak Ibu dari main clause yang tadinya di belakang diubah menjadi main clause-nya di depan ya. Jadi kalau ini itu independent clause ya, kalau ini independent clause atau main clause, yang ini dependent clause atau sub clause. Yeah. Then the next berikutnya. Very good, correct answer, Pak Slamet. Ya. Well, Pak Sulis. Sorry. Aduh, teringat yang kelas C kemarin ya. Ya, Pak Sulis. Okay. Then this one. Well, the next berikutnya.
It is painted by him in one night while he was sleepwalking.
While he was sleepwalking. Ya. Yang while-nya tidak dipasifkan.
Tidak bisa karena tidak ada objeknya.
Tidak ada objeknya. Tidak ada objeknya. Baik. Ya, karena was sleepwalking ini adalah predicate ya, predicate.
Ya, predicate.
Ya, bentuk continuous, predicate. Jadi tidak bisa tidak bisa dibalik ya. Objek subjeknya tidak bisa dibalik. Well, yang bisa dibalik adalah painted ya. Yang it ada di depan, he-nya di belakang. Jadi it was painted by him
in one night.
Okay, in one night. Well, he was sleepwalking. Okay, good, very good. Correct answer. Good grammar, Pak Sulis. Yeah. Adverb. Okay, adverb. Adverb pada dasarnya adalah adjektif, bisa ditambahkan dengan li menjadi set, menjadi setly, quickly, well, then the passive to adverbial phrase biasa atau and then phrase modif istilah yang sebutkan saja karena tadinya number one, section 3. Okay, number 2. Number 2.
Always.
Always. Okay. Number 3.
Loudly.
Loudly.
Loudly. Okay. Number 4.
Eagerly.
Eagerly.
Okay. Number 5.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Number 6.
On the tallest mountain.
Yeah.
On the tallest mountain.
Ya, phrase ya, berupa phrase. Oke.
Adverbial. Ya.
Adverbial phrase. Oke. Number 6.
Into the rabbit hole.
Number 7. Number 7.
Into the rabbit hole.
Okay.
Into the rabbit hole.
Number 8.
Always.
Number 9. Okay, good. Always. Number 9.
Menacingly.
Okay. Number 10.
In the harbor.
Quickly. Number 11.
Soon.
Soon. 12.
Silently.
Swiftly and silently. Number 13.
In the yard.
Number 14. Often.
Your neighbor.
Then number 15. Number 15.
On the sidewalk.
Okay. What? Well, it's very nice discussion, Bapak Ibu. Yeah, very nice discussions. But the time is up, and I think that all the meeting today. Ya, mohon maaf saya harus cepat-cepat mendatangi rapatnya ya, Bapak Ibu ya, kita sudahi. Thank you Bapak Ibu.
Belum, Pak.
Oh, link presensi masuk seperti kemarin ya. Linknya seperti kemarin, link presensi. Ya. Silakan Bapak Ibu mengisi presensi ya, jangan lupa.
Iya, Pak.
Jamnya jam 10.
Ya,
Jamnya jam
Atau sesuai jadwal jam 11, Bapak?
sesuai jadwal saja, jam 11.
jam 11.
Oke.
Ya.
Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.